Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve the problem Nim Game. You are playing the following Nim Game with your friend. Initially there is a heap of stones on the table. You and your friend will alternate taking turns and you go first. On each turn the person who turned it is will remove 1 to 3 stones from the heap. So initially we go first and each turn there is only possibly to take 3 stones from the table. 3 stones or lesser. Got it? Then one who removes the last one is the winner. Who removes last stone is the winner of the game. Here, let's look into the example 1. Input n equal to 4, false. Why? Why it returns false? Because there is a only possibility to get the 3 stones from the table. Right? If I take one, the opponent will take the remaining three, and also he got the last one stone, and he will be the winner of the table. Even though if I take the 3 stones from the table, he got the remaining one, and he will be the winner. So there is no possibility to win that game in the scenario of n equal to 4. If n equal to 6, let's say initially if I take one stone, yeah, can I take the one stone? And he take what? He take the 3 stones, and I will take the remaining two. Remaining two. So there is a possibility to win that game, right? So win the game, there is no possibility to win the game for us. It's n equal to 4, right? So I can say n modulo 4 not equal to 0. I can return, right? N modulo 4 not equal to 0. For example, n equal to 6. 6 modulo 4 what? Remaining 2 stones here. Remaining 2 stones there. So it's not equal to 0, right? So I win that game and it becomes true. The condition becomes true. If n equal to 4, 4 modulo 4 is what? 0, right? The remaining value of the 4 modulo 4 is what? 0. So it breaks the condition and it turns the false. So let's run it. Test case are passed. Yeah, it beats 100% of other solution. Great. I hope you all understand this concept. Let's see in another video. Thank you for watching.